I think that the most interesting bar is this one right here, because it has that increase of supply signature, it has that increase of the result signature as well, and that comes at the very peculiar contextual place where we just went through the downsloping resistance line, and now we're getting back and we're closing below it. So there is some expectation of the continuation to the downside, and yet next bar shows a total resurrection. Next bar negates all of the gains to the downside, and it shows that it's capable of not only negating those gains to the downside, but overcoming them in a pretty quick manner. And that is obviously a very, very bullish behavior. And then today acts as a confirmation that the absorption has happened on those two bars, or you know, like the downward red bar and then the next resurrection bar. And we could most definitely keep thinking that there's going to be a continuation out of the apex formation. Usually out of the apex formation, the price is traveling with a lot of momentum and not a lot of stopping places. And that's my expectation here with Russell. Even if we're going to stop, we're probably going to stop just, you know, for a couple of days and then continue to the upside. And the reason for that is because absorption has happened multiple times and at different levels. And when we are talking about absorption for this particular bar, the red bar and then the resurrection green bar, we're seeing how the levels of the supply has gone down significantly. And that just suggests to us that absorption, the prior absorption or prior absorptions, for instance, absorption number 1, absorption number 2, absorption number 3, absorption number 4, at all of those places, absorption has happened. The supply is in strong hands. And now we don't need to back up too much. We could just go up and accelerate, and there's going to be, you know, more buying, as a lot of institutions are going to play the FOMO, fear of missing out trade, as the market is moving higher.